Students, today we will read our new chapter number 7, 3 questions. So, I am giving you an idea about this story that there was a king and who want to know the answer of his 3 questions. So, let's see how he got these answers. Once there lived a certain king who wanted to be a successful ruler. It occurred to him that it would be better if he knew the right time to begin a new venture, who were the right people to advise him, and what was the most important thing to do. As I have told you, that once there was a king, and he wanted to be a great king, and there was an idea in his mind that he must know the answer of 3 questions. What was the 3 questions? The first is, what is the most important time, or what is the right time to do anything? The second question is, who were the right people to advise him? And the third is, what was the most important thing to do for him? That what was the most important thing he had to do? The king proclaimed throughout his kingdom that he would give a great reward to anyone who would give him the right answer to his questions. Learned men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. So, the king wanted to know the answers of his 3 questions. Then, he said in his kingdom that he will pay a great reward to anyone who will give the answer of his questions. Many of the learned men came there, but they all answered in different manners. Some people were saying that one must draw up in advance a table of days, months, and years and must live strictly according to it. Only thus could everything be done at its proper time. What some people are saying? Some were saying that we should plan in advance for everything, for days, for months, for years, and we should go according to that plan. But only others declared that it was impossible to decide beforehand the right time for every action. But other people are saying that no, it is not possible to think in advance for everything. Okay, students, you tell me that it is possible to think in advance for everything. Some of you think that it is possible, but some may think that it is impossible. So, the king also didn't get the proper answer. Then, we see what happened next. One should not be absorbed in idle pastimes. One should always tend to all that was going on and do what was most needful. Others were of the opinion that it was impossible for one man to decide correctly the right time for every action. So the king should have a council of wise men who would help him to fix the proper time for everything. Now, some people were saying that it is not possible for king, a single man, to decide everything in advance. So, he must have some wise people in his council. What is council? A group of people. Means king को अपने पास जो है कुछ wise men रखने चाहिए to advise. But then again others said there were some things which could not wait to be led before a council. In order to take an immediate decision on an urgent matter, one must know beforehand what was going to happen. Only magicians know that. Therefore, one must consult magicians to know the right time for every action. But what were saying? They were saying that it is not possible to tell everything to the council because sometime the king had to take immediate actions and it hadn't much time to conclude with the council. मीन्स उसके पास कोई कंक्लूजन निकालने के लिए काउंसिल के सामने अपनी बात रखने के लिए इनफ टाइम नहीं होगा, मे बी सम टाइम. सो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. And if he want to plan in advance, then he must know everything in advance. That what is going to be happen in future. Future में क्या होगा उसे पहले पता होना चाहिए. And it is only possible for magicians. वो क्या कहते हैं कि ऐसा तो सिर्फ मैजिशियंस को पता होता है. So the king should consult the magicians. He received very different answers for the second question also. Some said the people the king most needed were his counselors, others the priests, others the doctors, while some said the warriors were the most necessary. What was his second question? Tell me, students. Yes, his second question was who was the most important person to him? And he got different answers for this question also. Some people say that counselors are important. Counselor means who give advice to him. And some say the priest, some say the doctors are important, but some says the warriors. Warriors means जो सैनिक होते हैं, they were important. In the third question, as to what the most important occupation, some replied that the most important thing in the world was science. Others said it was skill in warfare, and others again that it was religious worship. And what was his third question? His third question was that what was the most important occupation or the most important work for him. He get different answers for this question also. Some people were saying that science is the most important, but some were saying that all the skills in warfare were important. Skills in warfare means सैनिकों को लड़ने के पता होना चाहिए, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. बट सम वर सेइंग रिलीजियस वर्शिप इज इम्पोर्टेंट. रिलीजियस वर्शिप मीन्स धार्मिक अपने जो धर्म होता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. ऑल द आंसर्स बीइंग डिफरेंट, द किंग एग्रीड विथ नन ऑफ देम एंड गेव देम रिवॉर्ड टू नन. नाउ वी हैव सीन दैट all the answers were different. So king was not angry with anybody of them and he didn't give any reward. But he still wishing to find the right answers to his questions. He decided to consult a hermit widely renowned for his wisdom. Now when the king didn't find the answer of his questions, then he decided to go to a hermit. Hermit is a wise man. The hermit lived in a wood which he never quitted, and he received none but common folk. So the king put the simple clothes, and before reaching the hermit's cell, dismounted from his horse, and leaving his bodyguard behind, went on alone. The hermit is a very simple person. He is very wise and religious, and he lived in a wood. Means वो एक wood के house में रहता है. Which he never quitted. वो हमेशा वहीं पे रहता है, उसे कभी भी छोड़ता नहीं. And he received none but common folk, means he liked the common people. So the king put simple clothes and he went there without his bodyguards, without his horse. When the king approached, the hermit was digging ground in front of his hut. Seeing the king, he greeted him and went on digging. The hermit was frail and weak, and each time he spade into the ground and turned a little earth, he breathed heavily. So when the king went there, what the king saw? The king saw that the hermit is digging the ground. The hermit greeted the king, and then what the king saw again, that the hermit was very weak, and each time when he stuck his spade into the ground, मीन्स वो अपनी स्पेड इज अ टूल यूज टू डिग द ग्राउंड. वो अपनी स्पेड को जब भी ग्राउंड में डिग करता है, ग्राउंड में स्टक करता है, तो वो बिल्कुल ब्रेथ हैवीली, जोर जोर से सांस लेता है, बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी वीक. द किंग वेंट अप टू हिम एंड सेड, आई हैव कम टू यू वाइज hermit to ask you 2 or 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I most need, and whom should I therefore pay more attention than to the rest? And what affairs are the most important and need my first attention? Now the king asked his questions from hermit. He said that I want my answers for the 3 questions. That what is the right time to do right things? Who is the most important people in my life? To whom should I pay more attention? And what is the most important work I have to do? The hermit listened to the king, but answered nothing. Just spat